Hello and welcome. Firstly, a little shout out to my friends. I adore you so much, and one of the ways that I am giving back to my little friend group is by propagating plants for them. So, this week I am dividing the Aloe Bruna days. First, start off with the plant. If you wait for your plant to dry out a little bit, it will be easier to gently remove the soil from the roots. So, what exactly is a division? How come some plants just get like a little tiny baby pup plant? Well, this is one of the ways that a plant asexually reproduces. So, asexual reproduction simply means creating a clone of oneself. So, when a plant feels that it creates a tiny little clone of itself, and it does this by a rhizome. So a rhizome is like an underground stem, and the underground stem goes underground, and then it pops back up with a tiny little clone. So the plant is able to spread and create more of itself without needing to share genetic information via pollination with the help of bees, which is awesome because inside of my flat there are no bees. Now, if your rhizome is still attached, you can use clean scissors disinfected with isopropyl alcohol to cut it, but I was just able to break mine away by gently tugging. To pot the plants up, you want to get a pot that is about 2 inches bigger than the root ball. I'm taking a guess based on the size of my plant, but as you can see, my first guess was a bit wrong, so don't be afraid to experiment with it. For the soil mix, I'm doing 2 parts soil. Personally, I prefer using coco coir, 1.5 parts of perlite, and half a part of orchid bark, and I'm mixing that up really nicely. I'm putting it in the bottom of the pot, placing the plant in the pot, and then sprinkling some around. Before gently pressing down. I water the plant thoroughly until the water comes out of the drainage holes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy plant content, feel free to subscribe. I hope you and your plants grow well.